Good medical morning, this is Watson, and today we're going to talk about dandruff. Dandruff is a common chronic scalp condition marked by flaking of the skin on your scalp. Dandruff isn't contagious or serious, but it can be embarrassing and sometimes difficult to treat. The good news is that dandruff usually can be controlled. Mild cases of dandruff may need nothing more than daily shampooing with a gentle cleanser. More stubborn cases of dandruff often respond to medicated shampoos. For most teens and adults, dandruff symptoms are easy to spot. White, oily-looking flakes of dead skin that dot your hair and shoulders, and a possibly itchy, scaly scalp. The condition may worsen during the fall and winter when indoor heating can contribute to dry skin, and it can improve during the summer. A type of dandruff called cradle cap can affect babies. This disorder, which causes a scaly, crusty scalp, is most common in newborns, but it can occur anytime during infancy. Although it can be alarming for parents, cradle cap isn't dangerous and usually clears up on its own. But if over-the-counter dandruff shampoos aren't helping, or your scalp becomes red or swollen, see your doctor or a doctor who specializes in skin conditions. You may have seborrheic dermatitis or another condition that resembles dandruff. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
I just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Rest More, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.